Now that you've created your app, let's now create a swift SAP entry form. Let's dive in. Look for the Import Entry Form option and give it a click. A pop-up will appear. Now, in the pop-up, start by giving your form a name. Next, select the module, Application, Entity, an entity action that best fits your form's purpose from the dropdown. Once you're done, hit the Import button. Great! SAP fields have been imported and integrated. Go ahead and drag and drop fields to arrange them as you like to suit your preferences. You can also customize the default fields that are already there to better fit your needs. You can add multiple tabs and place the fields within them for easier navigation and better user experience across all device form factors. It's all about making it work just right for you. The Submit button has also been created and all the fields have been mapped and integrated with the relevant SAP module, application, and entity automatically without you having to worry about it. You can further customize the mappings as needed. Once you're logged in through the web, simply locate the entry form you recently created, and voila! You'll see the results of your efforts right there. Enter the details and submit your entries. Your personalized entry form is all set to do its magic, just the way you want it. That's how it will appear in the mobile app. And there you have it. Swift has made creating and customizing entry forms, fully integrated with SAP S4 HANA, unbelievably simple, easy, and powerful. Enjoy exploring and making the most out of your personalized form.